Guys, it's my new channel. I haven't named it, but I'm going to. I don't know why I'm doing that. So, I should be the world.
There may be me in it.
So, I think that I should be somewhere in the top 5 burping champions of the world. And if I'm not in the top 5, I should be in the top 5 kids because I'm pretty incredible at it. So,
We'll stop.
now I shall. She was about to put this into camera.
Snap, 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 snap.
So I'm just gonna get right into it. And I never drank any soda.
Do another one for the fans.
Okay. I'm gonna say, please like
and subscribe.
No, I'm gonna say subscribe in a burp voice. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you. Next video. Hi. Bye. See you next video.